You're never ready for this. Look at that color. It's disgusting. Hello and welcome to my rusty garage. Today we are working on a Mazda 3 2010 BL with the 2.0 petrol engine. We are going to replace this hose which goes from the reservoir to the electric motor. But most importantly, we are going to replace most of the power steering fluid from the system. I have already raised the car, of course, because we are going to steer the car a couple of times. And I have removed the under tray and cleared this part, this end, and as well protect your floor. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to suck all the fluid from the reservoir. In order to do that, we are going to remove the mesh. Some systems do not have this mesh, and do not lose it. It's really important for the system. So in order to remove the fluid, you can use one of these things or syringer, but I'm going to use a vacuum bleeder, which is much more faster. Now we are going to replace the hose. That's just disconnecting the hose from here and removing the reservoir. And we need to disconnect the reservoir from the windshield fluid reservoir as well. It should be just clean it up. Just like that. We got here the new port. This is the new port for number, and it goes like this. Okay, that's in. So I'm gonna use one catch pan. Now this is really important. This is the high pressure line. We are not going to disconnect this line. This is the low pressure or return line. This is the one where we are going to get the fluid out. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit of mess over here and everything, but it's this line, not this one. This one. Okay, and here we go. To break the bone between the two parts. Alright. And here comes the mess. You're never ready for this. Look at that color. It's disgusting. Yes. In the meanwhile, you can go up there and refill the reservoir, so you can flush a little bit the motor. That's what I'm gonna do. But I wanna as well get some fluid from the rack. In order to do that, I'm going to steer the wheels lock to lock a couple of times, and you will see some fluid coming from here. Yes. Okay, so at this point you can see that there is no fluid coming through the return line, so you can connect now the hose. Okay, now what we are going to do is fill up the reservoir, and then someone is gonna steer lock to lock very slowly. It says like 90 degrees per second, the steering, and you are not going to leave the steering more than 5 seconds when it gets to the lock, because it builds pressure and it can damage the system. So you're going. Okay, so we're going to fill it up. And now you can start steering, honey. Steer. Okay, now you're going to get these bubbles while it's bleeding. Lock to lock. Slow. Yeah, return. Slow. Yeah. Many times. Yeah, keep doing it. Other still. Now we are going to start the car and do the same.
Start the car completely.
Yes. Now as you can see, there are no bubbles right now, so we are finished. I'm just going to suck a little bit until the max mark, and I'm going to go for a road test. Replace the strainer. I have to clean it up. Don't forget this seal. Okay. After the road test, check the levels and check for leakages. And that's it. Very easy. Hit the like button if you like it, and see you the next time.